AI videos. If you've been curious enough to make your own, you'll definitely want to try out Hypernatural. This platform is by far the easiest way, bringing everything you need together in one simple tool, from AI-generated video and pictures to B-roll, captions, and even realistic, consistent, and engaging character voices. All you need to get started is an idea, or if you already have a story or script or even a logline, you can instantly bring it to life. So, this is Hypernatural, and this is where it all happens. Let's take a short poem as an example. We already have the text, so we'll select Animate a script. Paste the text in the voiceover section and select your preferred narrator. You can choose from free and premium voices. Each has its own unique tone and style, so we'll always be able to find the perfect fit. We can see that Alice has a British political correspondent tone, and Jamie offers a friendly, engaging voice, perfect for our poem. After selecting a character voice, we'll choose our preferred format. Let's go for TikTok, which is ideal for a short. Now we can choose the overall visual style. There are dozens of great default options. Want to keep it photographic, Wes Anderson inspired, cyberpunk, a 1930s cartoon? It's all there. And if you want to get super specific, you can even write your own prompt to say exactly how you want it to look. But for our poem, I quite like the sound of a fantasy Game of Thrones style. At the final stage, we can choose our caption style, and if we'd like, we can customize our video with a unique logo and color scheme. Click continue, and that's it. In a matter of moments, your cast will be assembled, the stage will be built, and your ready to publish AI-generated video will be fully complete and ready to review. If you're happy with the result, you can download and share it right away. Or you can further customize any element, individual scene transitions, captions, even generate entirely new images and videos for any part of your video. This is just one simple example of what Hypernatural can do, and there's lots more to discover. There are many video generation tools in the market, but Hypernatural is different. It produces content you can actually use, and it's by far the easiest and most effective way to bring your ideas to life. And it's totally free to get started, so click the link in the description and see for yourself.